Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you like and subscribe so that I can grow my channel. So today I'm going to review the best upgrade you can do on your old laptop. So this is the Samsung 860 Evo 500 gig SSD. So off the bat I will tell you this will dramatically increase the performance of your old laptop. So before, I am getting around 4 to 5 minutes booting time. So after this change, I shortened the boot time to 20 seconds. So this is a really great upgrade for your old laptop, and as well as your new laptop. New laptop should have SSD as default because of the boot time, the way you launch the Google Chrome, Photoshop, etc. So here I'm going to benchmark the boot time. I have put this on fast forward so that you can see the timing, and at least you can view that there is no cut on the video when I am recording. This will be fast, but I'm around 1 minute 37 seconds. Then the screen appeared. Then 2 minutes have passed. Okay, 3 minutes is coming, and the desktop is still not showing. Okay, so the desktop shows at around 3 minutes, but you can still use that because it's still loading the the applications. So it's already 4 minutes, and as you can see I started it at 4:39, but the notepad on the side is still not showing, so it means it takes around 5 minutes to boot my laptop. So now I'm going to start to boot my laptop after I change it to SSD. So as you can see, at around 6 seconds you can already see the loading screen of the application. Then around 17 minutes I see the desktop, and you can see the notes in the side. It appears at around 20 seconds. So this is a really good upgrade on your old laptop. So now I have enabled the rapid mode by the Samsung, so it dramatically increased the performance of your SSD in exchange of the booting time. So instead of around 17 to 20 seconds boot time, you will get around 24 seconds. Let's wait for the time. That is at around 24 seconds when the notepad on the side appear. So it takes around 4 seconds more, but wait for the benchmark. Here is the benchmark. I'll show you I have already turned on the rapid performance. So here is the result. So I don't know if you can see the initial is 537 on the lead, but after the rapid it bumps up around 3,400, 521 to 3,019, then 32,598 to 57,617 reads, and the right is from 30,000 to 30,000 to 32,000. So this rapid status, that one dramatically increase the read-write performance of the SSD. So it's like overclocking your SSD. So I really recommend you enabling that. So I'm going to test the application. As you can see, it's just I can launch my Google Chrome on a 10-year-old laptop for around 1 second. So normally it takes around a minute to just launch that application. So I'm just checking the Word. I'm going to open the Microsoft Word application. So as you can see, this is a very old laptop, but the specs is really good, still good. So I just change it to SSD. Then so I can use it now. So see, it's around 2-3 seconds. You can launch a Microsoft Word, which normally takes around 1 to 2 minutes to launch on this laptop before. So a Photoshop takes around 3 to 5 minutes to load because it's loading on the hard drive. Now I didn't time it, but as you can see, it's also very fast. So I really recommend what you call this, changing the hard drive to SSD even on desktop. I will also recommend that if you can use the M.2, that will be faster. So I really recommend this Samsung solid state drive, and thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.